Meaning of geezer.
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 Geezer. The term geezer is typically used to refer to an older man, often with a slightly negative connotation. It can imply someone who is old-fashioned, out of touch, or even somewhat eccentric. The term originated in the UK and has gained some popularity in other English-speaking countries, particularly among younger generations. However, it's worth noting that some older men may not appreciate being referred to as a geezer, as it can be taken as a derogatory term. Overall, the meaning of geezer is somewhat subjective and can vary depending on the context and the individuals using it.